வணக்கம். I am Dr. P. Parthasarathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Avis College of Arts and Science, Salem. Today we will discuss about the textures of igneous rocks. Before that, we should know what is meant by igneous rocks. So igneous rocks is nothing but igneous means fire, legi means science. So that is called igneous rocks. So igneous rocks forms when the hot molten magma crystallized beneath the surface of the earth, that is called plutonic rocks. That same magma comes out above the earth surface, then after atmosphere contact crystallized the magma, that is called lava. So that rock is called volcanic rocks. These two rocks is called major classification of the igneous rocks. One is plutonic rocks, another one is called volcanic rocks, right? Volcanic rocks, plutonic rocks based on classified the grain size. So volcanic rocks is grains very small. Plutonic rocks grains is coarse grained. So this is the major classified of the plutonic and volcanic rocks. This another name is plutonic rocks or intrusive rocks. Volcanic rocks or extrusive rocks. Right? This is the igneous rocks. So next one is this is called igneous rocks. So now textures of igneous rocks. So what is meant by textures of igneous rocks? When cooling of magma result in systematic arrangement of ions into orderly patterns. The silicate minerals resulting from crystallize from the periodic table order. Texture, the size, arrangement of mineral grains, that is called textures. So textures is nothing but used to describe the overall appearance of rock based on the size, shape, arrangement and interlocking minerals. Rate of cooling, slow rate, fewer but larger crystals, fast rate, many small crystals, very fast rate of forms glass. So this is cooling rate. Texture refers to degree of crystallinity, grain size, geometrical relationship between the constituents of a rock fabric. So first one is called degree of crystallinity. So first one, holocrystalline. Holocrystalline is nothing but composed wholly of crystals. So when the magma is crystallized, that crystal wholly crystals, that is called holocrystalline. The rock composed entirely crystal said to be holocrystalline. Second one is holohyaline, consists entirely fully glass. This rocks entirely composed glass materials, so that is called holohyaline. Next one is hypocrystalline or hemicrystalline or mesocrystalline. This is both glass plus crystals. These two mix with, that is called hypocrystalline or merocrystalline rocks. These are the degree of crystallinity. Then igneous textures, the textures of igneous textures, types of igneous textures. The other, first one is aphanitic texture, second one is pheneric texture. Aphanitic means fine grained texture, rapid rate of cooling, microscopic crystals, many contained vessels, holes from gas bubbles. Pheneritic texture, coarse grained, slow cooling, large visible crystals. Then porphyritic textures, minerals form at different temperatures. Large crystal is called phenocrust and embedded matrix of small crystals. Glassy textures, very rapid cooling of lava, resulting rock is called obsidian. Then shape of crystals, there are three types. One is euhedral, subhedral and unhedral. Euhedral means the grains are mostly bounded in crystal faces, well formed of crystal faces, that is called euhedral. Subhedral means well formed, only few faces less, so that is called subhedral. Unhedral means no face, not bounded for crystal face, that is called unhedral. Then mutual relationship of the grains, that is called fabrics. equigranular texture and inequigranular textures. Equigranular textures, there are three types. One is penidiomorphic, the second one is allotromorphic, third one is hypidiomorphic. So penidiomorphic texture, majority of the grains crystallines of the grains euheteral. For example, lampreyfers. Allotromorphic, most of the grains are unheteral. Example, uplight. Hypidiomorphic texture, most of the grains are subheteral. That is called, example, granite. Then poikilitic texture, randomly oriented inclusion within large crystals. Wapitic texture, generally used for gabbroic rocks or refers to augite crystals larger than plagioclase. Thank you.